What's up, guys? This is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 BHPS. As you can see, we got fiberglass on the outside, really nice. You always got to check out the pass-through storage right off the bat there. Lots and lots of space for your kayaks, any other thing for long-term camping trips. Lots of space there. You also got your awning right here, and it basically covers a majority of the rig, and it does have LED lights so you can enjoy it while in the night, because it is getting darker earlier nowadays, right? We also got our outside kitchen here, which is really nifty. You got your sink, you also got more counter space, as well as the refrigerator there. This rig is equipped with Asdel, which is essentially a composite panel that keeps your rig from water damage. So like rolled mold, rot, decay, anything like that, and more importantly, delamination. So this rig has that. It's already enough to tell you why you should get this. As you come in here, you already have a closet on your right-hand side. Got some coat hangers, you can put your shoes up there, extra clothes, anything you'd like. Come on in. And to your left here, you can see that we got the bunks right off the bat. Okay, you can store the kids up here, or you can use it for more storage if you'd like. It does have storage on the bottom there as well, and that is not liftable. And so coming on in here, we're now in the living space / kitchen area. This is actually really Tetris really nice, to where it's everything is a little bit more compact. And it's also got this TV backer location with an HDMI cord, as well as some electrical outlets and an antenna plug in there as well. What's really cool about this also is that you even got more storage right there. Really nifty and nice. Like I said, they Tetrised it really nicely. Storage on the bottom there, radio right there. Super beautiful. Moving to the kitchen area, you got your Greystone microwave, 3-burner cooktop, as well as the oven here. Nice counters right here, and one big huge sink. Okay, it also has the removable nozzle. And then you also got space on space up here as well. For a tinier trailer, this is actually really nice. Okay, it's got a lot of storage on the in the rig. You also got your U-shaped dinette here, where you can host all of your guests, or you can just hang out with whoever you'd like. This is removable, so you can take it out and then make it into a sleeping space, which is quite beautiful. You also have your freezer and your fridge right here. Nice size. Well, they even have these accent lights right here on the side. I think it's a really nice and sleek look. I say nice a lot, don't I? Coming on in here into the bedroom, you got your king-size mattress here. So for all the tall people in here, this is the rig for you for sure. You also got some extra closet space on the side, as well as right above you. And then right by where your head would go, there's some electrical outlets, as well as some USB ports for either your CPAP machines, your chargers, or anything of that sort, which is really nice. You also got more storage space right here. Try and get out of the way here. Lots and lots of storage. You can even mount a TV right here on the back here. Like I said, if you got this antenna plug as well as the electrical outlet right next to each other, usually it's a place where the TV can go. All right. And if you ever just get a little too overwhelmed and you want to just have some more privacy, there is a sliding door as well, which is quite nice. Yeah. So let's go to the last thing, which is the bathroom right here. Go ahead and take a look in there. Beautiful walk-in shower, storage on the sides, nice toilet, and you got the sink in there as well. Guys, if this rig looks like the one for you, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.